Hector! Hector!
Close the window.
Allá, viene una tormenta.
What did he just say?
Close the window.
He said there's a storm coming in.
Viano tormente.
What'd you say?
He said there's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming, Ari.
There is a storm coming!
There's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming, Mr. Wayne.
There's a storm coming, brother.
There's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming, Dr. Suresh.
There's a storm coming.
There is a storm coming, a black and terrible storm. There's a storm coming!
I sense there's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming!
Alice says there's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming.
Storm's coming.
A storm coming soon.
A storm is coming, Frank says. A storm is coming. Our storm.
The storm's coming.
The storm's coming.
There's a fucking storm coming, man!
Storm's coming.
Storm's coming.
Storm's coming.
The great storm is coming! The wind that overturns the land!
The storm is coming.
There is a storm coming.
Hey, Cody, there's a storm coming.
The storm is coming.
There's a storm coming.
There's a storm coming, Frank.
Storm coming, kids! Let's get inside!
You can't sleep outside. There's a storm coming.
Storm's coming.
Oh, you all better get your umbrellas out because there's a storm coming. Come on, Jorge, give it to him. There's a storm coming. What?
There's a storm coming, buddy. There's a storm coming.